Imagine a world where your loved ones receive the care they truly deserve. At Caregiver Referral Services of Toronto, we believe in providing compassionate, reliable care that feels like family.
Our caregivers are more than just professionals. They are companions who bring warmth and kindness. They assist with daily activities, ensuring your loved ones feel supported and cherished. Every individual is unique, and so are their care needs. Our services range from live-in care to on-call assistance, tailored to meet specific requirements. We ensure comfort, dignity, and peace of mind for your loved ones. Our dedicated team brings expertise and kindness right to your doorstep, whether at home or in a care facility. When your loved one is cared for, you can breathe easier too. Our services not only support individuals, but also bring relief to families, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Experience the joy of seeing your loved ones happy and well cared for. Our compassionate approach ensures that both clients and families feel supported and at ease. Ready to explore how we can support your family? Visit caregiverstoronto.ca to schedule your free consultation. Discover care that feels like family? Care that feels like family, it starts with one call. Let us help you find peace of mind and support for your loved ones today.